Hi, thanks for tuning into another tutorial session with Blocksee. Today we're going to be looking at how you can use our Web3 CRM dashboard to go ahead and add lazy minted NFTs to your own private NFT white labeled marketplace that you've placed on your website. If you guys haven't already placed one of our plugins on your website using our Blocksee Connect plugin panel on the engagement slide, be sure to do that first, as this is a tutorial that'll just show you how we can actually make NFTs to show up there. But I have done another video that shows how you can get this plugin on your website, and I'll go ahead and drop that link in the description below. So if you haven't done that, go watch that video first, like, comment, share, and then come back here so we can see how you can start making NFTs using our minting panel and then have them automatically display on your website. Okay, cool. So just jumping in, we'll go into our test project here. This is just running off of the Blocksee smart contract, which is the default deployer. And so we can go here to the inventory page, and you'll see a couple assets that we've already created using Blocksee, but we can just hit this actions drop-down menu, select new, and this will bring up our NFT minting panel, which is really easy to use, kind of similar to what you do with like an email template builder. If you're trying to do like a direct message or try to produce something on like a HubSpot or MailChimp, you just want to add your file to the template. So we can use this free website builder flyer that we made for Blocksee so that people can redeem this, or that we could airdrop this to people as well. We'll just drop in a title. This will just be a Blocksee test flyer. Let's go ahead and select Polygon, just to make sure we're saving on gas fees. And then we can drop a link to blocksee.co, and then we'll drop maybe a pricing page link, or actually, let's find the page we want them to land on. So we'll just come in here. We'll go to our features. So we can link out to the exact page for anyone looking for this exact type of service. Oops. And then come here. Cool, we got our builders tool page. So let's drop that in. And we'll say start building your Web3 website for free with Blocksee. Oops, too many E's. And then here's the link. So then we have that in our description as well. It's kind of a call to action. I'll just say get started today. Oops, today. And then we can make this an addition count. So let's just do 10 for demo purposes. And then we just hit save. That's really all you need at minimum. You could add royalties and things like that if you'd like. But this is really all we need to just save that metadata and get this NFT displaying on our inventory page. And so now you see that that's in our panel here, and it's listed as a draft, which just means that you haven't set this for an airdrop or anything like that. It's just sitting basically in your inventory page, almost like a marketing campaign that's waiting for you to activate in some kind of way. And the way that we can do that is actually just by selecting this checkbox at the bottom of the asset. And then this dropdown now gives us a bunch of options to either edit this draft. We can mint this to a list. So if we wanted to select an audience, we can deliver to them. We have other videos on how to do airdrops. So if you want to check that out, be sure to view some of our other videos that can help you with that. But for this video, we'll just be doing add to marketplace. And you'll see as soon as we do that, we get this notification that says that it's been added. It now changes that draft icon to say marketplace, so it's reflective of the action that we just took. And something cool is that we can also add this to a marketplace by assigning it to a list, so that only wallets on a designated whitelist have access to purchase or even view this NFT in your website's marketplace. Now, to go ahead and see how this is carried over, we want to be able to test and make sure that this is actually appearing. So we'll just come over to our actual landing page. And so here you can see where it asks you to connect a wallet. We'll go ahead and do that. I got my Coinbase hooked up. And now you see that we've logged in. And if we go to Marketplace, all of a sudden that new NFT that we just created is now available. And so anyone can come purchase this. This is great if you want to do like raffle tickets that you want to have that are free to claim, or even maybe purchase to claim. We have some people who are looking at this for musicians, like for their tickets for shows, so they don't have to use Eventbrite or Ticketmaster. Really create a direct sales channel with your network. And there's all kinds of things. I'm using it also on an artist site. So you can imagine just the creative ways in which your business can deliver digital goods, assets, flyers, promotions, certificates of authenticity, whatever it may be, to your community through this nice white labeled NFT portal that just is, landed on your site. So it'll have all the kind of branding that you have on your webpage. This plugin just kind of sits on top of that. And to show you this kind of checkout feature, it's real easy. Just brings up your Coinbase, MetaMask, any kind of browser wallet extension, and you can go ahead and make these purchases. There is some gas fees, but we'll be adding fiat to crypto on-ramps using credit card. So that'll be coming shortly, as well as a custodial wallet so that you can go ahead and sign up via email if you don't have a wallet address to automatically log in with right off the fly. And the greatest part about this is that now, even just from connecting our wallet, this info gets carried over automatically with no manual workflow directly into your CRM dashboard. And so here we can go and see our community tab. And this funnel shows everyone that's actually engaged with your website. And we can see this was the wallet. And now, because I connected my wallet through your website, I now have a CRM profile in Blocksee with all of my on-chain activity, including ERC20s, paired with this off-chain activity that allows me to do things like email this customer directly because I know that they just claimed a raffle ticket or enrolled in some kind of program that I was offering or participated in a community chat, whatever it may be. So you can start to expand your communication channels just beyond the initial wallet-to-wallet airdrop type interaction. I hope this has been helpful and kind of gives you an idea of how you can start creating really easily some NFTs using the Blocksee minting panel and being able to just directly place those NFTs onto your marketplace. And what's cool is that any of these that get deployed, our contracts are set up so that they will also show in multiple marketplaces. So this NFT will now be available on OpenSea, Rarible, all the major networks or marketplaces that support NFT sales. So it really gives you a wide visibility to the assets that you're creating here as well. Again, hope this has been helpful. Please check out our other tutorials if you want to learn more about the kind of features and tool sets that you can use Blocksee CRM for. And until next time, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, share, and take care.